Okay, here we are in Fullerton, California, removing the old piece. As you can see, the old piece is the bend. You can see the bend it has in it. It's a bow. And I have no idea if I'm going to have to drill up there. I actually do have to drill. I've already run into one problem already. If you can see that black bracket where the rope is tied, well, the holes up there do not line up. These black brackets are meant for that lift. So this is a different model number, but I can make it work. This black bracket is meant for that one. So I'm going to have to drill right where, I can't see my finger, right where the bolt is, right here where my finger is. Right on top of that, there's another hole that needs to be drilled out because you need 4 to tighten the plate up. And hopefully it goes easier. And what I'll do is, once I have this bracket and that bracket up, what I'll do is I'll hoist that up and have it rest on the 2 brackets, and I don't have to worry about it falling. I'll just tie it off and bolt it, drill it, and well, hopefully with everything being bent, I hope I don't have to drill anymore, or I may have to loosen the bolts there and shim one side. I'm not sure yet, but I have to make sure everything is plumb, because something tells me there was a lot of resistance taking the bolts off on one side. So something tells me these columns came in when this went up and it bent. These columns probably came in a little bit. When I loosened them up, they seemed to bow out a little bit. So hopefully I don't have to drill any holes in this section here. If not, it's all adjustable. I figure I got about another 2, maybe 3 hours worth of work here. So I just take my time, and this thing is it's worth $1 million to me. It's great. The only thing is a little rickety, but I'm getting used to it. Okay, this is Tommy T here in Fullerton. Gonna go get something to eat, and I'll be back, and we'll get the top installed.